How to stop a dog from peeing in the house. Training a dog can be a challenging task, but with consistency, patience, and the right approach, you can teach your dog to stop peeing inside your home. Here are some effective strategies to address and resolve this issue. First, you have to understand the root cause. Why is your dog peeing in the home after being house-trained for a while? I'm not talking about a puppy. That is house training 101. I'm talking about a pet that has been trained for a while. This video is addressing a dog who has been house-trained and has now started peeing in the home instead of where they are trained to go. There are a couple common reasons to consider. First, find out if there is a medical issue. There are some common medical issues that could be the cause of inappropriate urination. Urinary tract infections, bladder or kidney stones are common reasons. If you suspect a medical issue, consult your veterinarian. A checkup will rule out some causes immediately. If there is a medical issue, a medication will get your pet back on track in no time. If there is not a medical problem, then start looking in other directions. If you don't already have one, establish a consistent routine. Dogs thrive on routine. Take your dog outside to urinate at regular intervals. Always take your pet out, first thing in the morning. Pets are similar to humans. After not going to the bathroom all night, as soon as we or they get up, it is time to pee. After meals or a drink of water is another good time to take your dog out. Always take your dog out before bedtime. It is almost a guarantee that you will find a puddle in the morning if they haven't had a break before bed. And don't forget after play sessions or naps, especially naps. After a nap is also a peak time to have to pee. Consistency helps your dog understand when and where they should relieve themselves. Another reason your pet might start peeing in the home is stress or anxiety. Changes in their lifestyle, separation anxiety or fear can lead to accidents. Changes in lifestyle could be changes in your work schedule, a new pet in the home, another human in the home, or a new location. Use positive reinforcement. Let your pet know that even though there are changes, it's going to be okay. Give them extra attention and love them up regularly. Your pet should begin to get back to their normal behavior after a short time. Continue your encouragement and reward good behavior. That leads into the next part of this video. Always reward your dog for good behavior. Every time your dog urinates outside, praise them enthusiastically and offer a treat. This positive reinforcement encourages them to repeat the behavior. Continuing a new routine or consistency of a new one should bring your dog back to acceptable behavior. The next reason to look at is your dog may be marking territory. Some dogs urinate indoors to mark their territory, especially if they feel threatened by other pets. This may occur if another pet is brought into the home. Also, maybe your dog is hearing a neighboring pet barking and feel their territory is threatened. If your dog is marking their territory, consider getting your dog spayed or neutered. Dogs are less likely to mark their territory after being spayed or neutered. Minimize factors that might make your dog feel the need to assert dominance or mark their territory. If a new pet has been brought into the home, again reassure your dog that it is going to be okay. Love on them until they no longer feel threatened by the new addition. Also watch your dog. If you catch your dog in the act, interrupt them with a firm no and immediately take them outside. When they go outside, reward them and praise them. The negative behavior will stop and your routines will resume to normal. If you can't supervise your dog, consider confining them to a crate or a small, easily cleaned area. Dogs generally avoid soiling their sleeping spaces, which can reinforce the habit of holding their bladder. Limit access to problem areas. If your dog consistently urinates in specific areas of the house, restrict their access to those spots. Use baby gates or closed doors to rooms where accidents frequently occur. Over time, this can help break the habit. Make sure you clean the area thoroughly with cleaner designed for pet stains. Regular cleaning products may not completely eliminate the smell, and lingering odors can encourage your dog to urinate in the same spot again. Provide adequate exercise and mental stimulation. A tired dog is less likely to engage in inappropriate behaviors. Make sure your dog gets enough physical exercise and mental stimulation each day. This can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common triggers for indoor urination. If you've tried these methods without success, consider seeking help from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can provide personalized advice and strategies tailored to your dog's specific needs. Remember to be patient and consistent. Changing a dog's behavior takes time. Avoid punishing your dog for accidents, as this can create fear and worsen the problem. Instead, focus on reinforcing positive behaviors and staying consistent with your training methods. Stopping a dog from peeing in the house requires understanding the cause of the behavior, establishing a consistent routine, and using positive reinforcement. By supervising your dog, addressing any medical or behavioral issues, and being patient, you can successfully train them to urinate outside. Remember, every dog learns at their own pace, so keep encouraging them along the way. For more tips and advice on pet care and training, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below if you have questions or need further assistance. Together we can create happy, healthy lives for our furry friends. Remember, if you see someone without a smile, share one of yours. God bless you and your precious pet.